Yo!
Whoa!
How's it going, BuildForce? Yo! Paul,
Dude.
today is an exciting day.
Yeah, look, we're Blackpink. We're live.
Yeah, Blackpink. Yeah, see.
Yeah.
It's like we saw this combo, it's like, where's Mike?
Where's Mike?
Yeah. Gotta represent some K-pop. Yeah, there you go. Cool. So anyway.
Here we are. It's another BuildMeet. It's another Saturday. But we're going to celebrate this BuildMeet a little bit. Check it out.
Yeah. So first of all, thank you to I'm Licensed. Ruan for picking up these cool drinks for us. So there's Ultraman.
Cool drinks.
Yeah. And here's Rockman X. Yes.
Yeah,
so
there's Rockman.
Crack it open on the table here.
And then I got Ultraman.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, and we're gonna cheers this off first.
Cheers, Paul.
Cheers,
yeah,
dude.
cheers. And cheers to the
BuildForce. Yes. Okay, let's go.
Oh wow.
Oh, this is really cool. It's like a dry lemon kind of vibe.
Yeah,
Really
yeah,
nice.
totally. So why are we celebrating? Because as maybe you can hear from the ambience. Yes. There's a build meet happening. Yeah, let's take a look around.
Yeah, hit the turnaround button.
Woohoo! There you go. So we've got a full house, and we've got like extra tables here, and even
Extra tables there.
Yeah. Welcome to the new salespeople selling their Funko Pops. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Paul's favorite.
Don't buy Funko Pops, kids.
Yeah, but sure. Gonna walk in?
Yeah, so check it out, guys. So this has been like a huge turnout. It's usually quite big, but this time it's like super big.
Mega.
It's mega. And everybody's just building cool stuff, and it's really rad. And we want you to be a part of this. So if you guys
If you guys are in Joburg, Pretoria, or even in the deep south, make a trip out of it, you know?
Exactly.
Or if you guys are like visiting from Cape Town, just like happening to have over like the weekend of a build meet, come on through, you know?
And exactly that. So if you've ever thought of building a Gundam kit before, maybe you're scared of messing it up or whatever, come do it here with us.
We're not even like scared of messing it up. If you want to have build with some friends, make new friends as well.
Yeah, maybe you need to make new friends. I don't know, but either way, come and build here if you want to. It's going to be rad, and we don't charge for it either. You just get here early so you can get a chair and bring your kit, and you don't even have to have a kit. Maybe you don't know anything about Gundam. It's a good way to come in and learn and just get a feel from everybody what they're into. Otherwise, we're sorry that you're not here. If you've never been to one of these
See you at the next one.
Yes, and also just a quick reminder, Jeff and I will be at Rage. Gunpla says at Rage. So we're going to check you out there. It's going to be a good one. I think it's going to be a good one. I'm excited for it. And until the next one, remember to keep building Ultraman X. Ultraman.